Higher education as we know it won't be around if we don't fight for it today.
This attack on higher ed is going to affect every one of the students that you have spent a lifetime educating and nurturing. It isn't just about the funding, although it's always about the funding. It's about the academic freedom, which is a hallmark of higher education.
That's what's under attack. Our freedom of speech, our freedom to think, to teach, to share with our students what we have learned, what we have researched, and what we know to be the truth.
Our administration must stand up for their institutions. They must defend academic freedom against the bad faith attacks on what we can teach and what students can learn.
A quote from James Madison: "Education is the true foundation of civil liberty." These attacks on higher education are about an attack on our democracy.
We in NYSUT will continue to advocate for funding at the state and the local level for our colleges, universities, and teaching hospitals.
What they are after in this authoritarian regime is the destruction of independent thinking and independent thinking institutions, the bedrock of our democracy. We cannot acquiesce. We cannot sit silently by and hope that in that silence we will not be harmed. We will stand together. We know we have the support of this assembly and this great union, and we must have it so that we defeat authoritarianism in its attack on higher education and on democracy.